Scientists believe that Stegosaurus may have been one of the dumbest dinosaurs to have existed. Its brain was so small, around the size of a walnut, that compared to its bus-sized body, it may have had a second brain or nerve center in its hips to help it move around. But for us to understand how dinosaurs thought and their mental capabilities, we have to dive deeper, but it backward as a challenging task for scientists. Since dinosaurs are extinct, we don't have direct access to their brains or thought processes. However, scientists can make educated hypotheses based on the study of dinosaur anatomy, behavior, and comparison to modern animals. We can consider what the dinosaurs might think about things and have thoughts mentally. Brain size. The size of an animal's brain relative to its body, known as the encephalization quotient, EQ, is a rough indicator of its cognitive abilities. In general, animals with higher EQs tend to exhibit more complex behaviors and problem-solving skills. However, there are exceptions and variations within different groups of animals. The brain of the T-Rex, its brain was slightly bigger than a human brain, but the cerebrum, which is the part of the brain that we use for thinking, was relatively small, making the T-Rex a bit of a dinosaur dunce. For dinosaurs, studying brain size is a challenge due to the scarcity of well-preserved fossilized brain tissue. Brain tissue doesn't fossilize as readily as bones do, so researchers often rely on indirect methods to estimate brain size. They might measure the endocasts, which are natural casts of the brain cavity preserved in the skull. These endocasts provide a rough idea of brain size and shape. But let's talk about brain structure. Brain structure is just as important as brain size when considering an animal's cognitive abilities. Different regions of the brain are responsible for various functions, and the size and complexity of these regions can give insights into sensory perception, memory, problem-solving, and social interactions. For example, the size of the olfactory bulbs, which are associated with the sense of smell, can provide information about an animal's reliance on scent for finding food or detecting danger. Similarly, the size of the optic lobes, which process visual information, can suggest the importance of vision in an animal's behavior. What if we compare with modern animals? Studying the brains of modern animals, especially those closely related to dinosaurs, can help researchers make informed guesses about the cognitive abilities of dinosaurs. Birds, being the closest living relatives of dinosaurs, provide a particularly valuable comparison. Birds have relatively large brains for their body size and exhibit a wide range of cognitive behaviors. Some birds use tools, solve complex problems, and display social behaviors, all of which require cognitive abilities. It's important to note that intelligence and cognitive abilities are complex and multifaceted. Animals can excel in different aspects of intelligence based on their ecological niche and evolutionary history. Additionally, brain size and structure are just one part of the puzzle, as behavior, social interactions, and environmental factors also play significant roles in determining an animal's cognitive capabilities. In conclusion, while brain size and structure can provide some insights into the mental abilities of dinosaurs, our understanding is still limited due to the challenges of studying extinct animals. Researchers continue to refine their methods and interpretations to piece together a more accurate picture of how dinosaurs might have thought and interacted with their world. Sensory systems are critical for how animals perceive and interact with their environment. Understanding the sensory systems of dinosaurs can provide insights into their behaviors, hunting strategies, and overall ways of life. While we can't directly observe the sensory systems of extinct animals, scientists use various methods to infer their sensory capabilities based on fossil evidence and comparisons with modern animals. Vision. The size and structure of the eye sockets, orbit, in dinosaur skulls can provide clues about their visual capabilities. Large eye sockets may indicate a reliance on vision, potentially for activities such as hunting, detecting predators, or finding mates. Additionally, the arrangement of the scleral rings, bones in the eye that support the cornea, can give insight into the diurnal, daytime, or nocturnal, nighttime, activity patterns of dinosaurs. Predatory dinosaurs, for instance, might have had forward-facing eyes for depth perception, an important trait for hunting. Hearing. The shape and size of the inner ear structures in fossils can help researchers estimate the hearing abilities of dinosaurs. The cochlea, a spiral-shaped structure in the inner ear, is responsible for processing sound. By comparing the cochlea in dinosaur fossils to those of modern animals, scientists can infer the range of sounds dinosaurs might have been capable of hearing. This can also give clues about their potential vocalizations and communication methods. Olfaction, smell. The size and shape of the olfactory bulbs in the brain cavity can provide insights into an animal's sense of smell. Larger olfactory bulbs suggest a more acute sense of smell, which could be used for locating food, detecting predators, or finding mates. Dinosaurs that relied on plant-based diets might have had a keen sense of smell for locating the best vegetation. The structure of the jaws, teeth, and skull can also offer information about how dinosaurs interacted with their environment through touch. For example, the arrangement of teeth and the presence of specialized features like serrations or wear patterns can suggest how dinosaurs processed food and interacted with different textures. Comparisons with modern animals. Studying the sensory systems of modern animals, particularly those closely related to dinosaurs, like birds and crocodilians, can help researchers infer the sensory capabilities of dinosaurs. For example, modern birds are known for their keen eyesight, which they inherited from their dinosaur ancestors. Crocodilians, on the other hand, have well-developed olfactory systems that help them locate prey. By combining these approaches and integrating data from various fossil findings, scientists can build hypotheses about the sensory systems of different dinosaur species. However, it's important to remember that these interpretations are educated guesses, and the full sensory experiences of dinosaurs remain a topic of ongoing research and exploration. Behavioral evidence provides valuable insights into how dinosaurs interacted with their environment, other organisms, and each other. Fossilized traces of behavior, such as trackways, nesting sites, and social structures, can offer glimpses into the daily lives and habits of these ancient creatures. Trackways. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment for Part 2.